Iron Dome is proving highly effective, even more effective than in 2012. Then its success rate was about 84%. Now it's about 90% because there were some improvements. And it deals quite well with the massive salvos that they are trying to send onto Israel. It also, I think, provides our public with a sense of confidence. It allows for the continuation of normal life. It's true that from time to time this is disrupted when sirens go on and we all have to go to shelters, but generally speaking, people live their lives because of Iron Dome and provides our decision makers with more flexibility, more room, less pressure to make a hasty decision. That said, Iron Dome is not 100%, it's not foolproof, and there's still a chance that Hamas could bypass it and inflict damages. So if Hamas continues to fire averagely 100 rockets a day in the coming days, or if they manage to inflict damages on us or casualties, I believe that will hasten the moment when our government has to make a decision.